Cursive writing. Letter A. Apple, axe, ant, arrow, aeroplane. Letter B. Bell, ball, boy, balloon, banana. Letter C. Cap, cat, cup, cake, carrot. Letter D. Doll, den, duck, dog, drum. Letter E. Egg, eagle, eye, engine, elephant. Letter F. Fan, fish, fork, fingers, flower. Letter G. Glass, grapes, girl, guitar, giraffe. Letter H. Hat, hut, hen, hammer, helicopter. Letter I. Insect, iron, ink, igloo, ice cream. Letter J. Jam, jug, jelly, jackal, jacket. Letter K. Kennel, kite, king, kettle, key. Letter L. Lamp, lion, lock, leaf, lemon. Letter M. Man, mat, moon, mango, monkey. Letter N. Nib, nest, net, needle, nurse. Letter O. Owl, ox, ostrich, onion, orange. Letter P. Pot, pear, pillow, penguin, parrot. Letter Q. Queen, quill, quail, queue, quilt. Letter R. Ring, rainbow, rocket, rabbit, radio. Letter S. Socks, spoon, snake, ship, swan. Letter T. Tap, top, tree, tortoise, telephone. Letter U. Urn, unicorn, utensils, umbrella, uniform. Letter V. Violin, violet, vulture, vegetables, vase. Letter W. Web, wall, wood, whale, whistle. Letter X. X-ray, Xmas tree, Xebec, xylophone. Letter Y. Yak, yarn, yellow, yacht, yo-yo. Letter Z. Sip, zero, zebra crossing, zebra.